Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
I'm going in. You know I can do what I want. Haters on me to follow, but I won't. Haters on me to slip up, but I don't. Stop trying to come copy mine, get your own. Yeah, know I can do what I want. Haters on me to follow, but I won't. Haters on me to slip up, but I don't. Stop trying to come copy mine, get your own. Yeah, you know I can do what I want.
Yo, what it do? Today is day 3. Today is day 3. I'm here in Iquitos, Peru. I'm at the lodge, the Poseidon lodge right now. I'm about to go get some breakfast before my excursion starts at 9 o'clock. I got like a 9:30 pickup. So I'm excited about that. Spending 2 days in the Amazon Rainforest. As I mentioned, I'm not even going to mention the details. You're just going to have to see it. But yeah, it's going to be very nice. I'm looking forward to that. And then come back after that, and then the next day afterwards, fly into Cusco, where I'll do the ATV Rainbow Mountain Tour and the Machu Picchu. You know what I mean? With the whole train, the whole bus, fire. I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, that's it. So today is it's hot out here. Supposed to get up to the 80s. But I have my ski pants on, you know what I mean? Long sleeve, because in the jungle, I'm not playing. I also brought this with me, which is recommended, you know what I mean? I don't know if you can't see it, but it's off, the bug spray. Hold on, let me turn this around. Yeah, definitely cop this and whatnot. So yeah, looking forward to that. And yeah, I'm gonna wear my little Far Rock sweat over there. You can see in the background, sweatshirt. Anything to prevent getting bit, you know what I mean? I'd rather be super hot than have a long short sleeve on and just constantly getting bit. Got bit last night, so numerous times. But anyway, looking forward to that. Let me see what's for breakfast, and I'll holler at y'all on the other side. Peace.
Rain got me.
Hopefully not. It's okay.
How you got the flashlight, torch?
Everything.
All right.
Everything.
Okay.
So you're gonna be my guide, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Private tour by myself.
Okay.
It's crazy. It is what it is.
Okay. Now, approximately from here to the port, 30 minutes, and then we're gonna arrive in. We're gonna take the boat, navigate it down river. We're gonna arrive in the other port. So I think it's 11, I don't know, maybe. So or 12 or 12:30.
Okay.
Arriving to the hotel there.
Okay.
Into the jungle.
Okay.
Ready?
Good.
Okay.
Soundstripe.
Cause lately I've been screaming YOLO, been screaming YOLO. Cause lately I've been moving solo, been moving dolo. People see me, they be like, stop, let's take a photo. Can't let nobody take my mojo, can't take my mojo. Cause lately I've been screaming YOLO, been screaming YOLO. Cause lately I've been moving solo, been moving dolo. People see me, they be like, stop, let's take a photo. Can't let nobody take my mojo, can't take my mojo. Today's a good day. I'm living my life to the fullest, don't need no champagne. Drunk on life, got me feeling good like Sunday. I'm doing this all to the fullest, and maybe one day, it go like $1, $2, $3, and that's 4 in my pocket, but I'm wanting more. I'm so happy outside to my core. Life so sweet, don't need no candy. Cause lately I've been screaming YOLO, been screaming YOLO. Cause lately I've been moving solo, been moving dolo. People see me, they be like, stop, let's take a photo. Can't let nobody.
Yo. Let's go.
Like I show you about the tip from Piranha tip.
Yes.
And also the people that capture piranha this place. So this is a piranha place. But
Okay.
yeah, because piranhas live in the water. So basically people in total in the Amazon we have 17 species of piranhas because it's considered dangerous. 6 type piranhas considered very dangerous as well.
Okay.
The most represented right here, the black piranhas, silver piranhas, white piranhas, and also the red bell piranhas here.
Okay.
It's the what you saw there. So it was a red one piranhas.
Okay.
So up to the one, so maximum the 20 or 25 centimeter length, like this, you know. So basically about the black piranha, so it's a maximum of 30 centimeter length, like this, the side. That's what. Okay.
Yep.
You're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay. Here.
Get some water.
Yeah, some water.
Hydrate. Light vest. Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Just in case we're gonna use our life jacket for this.
Okay, cool. You got a big old. Life vest on, just in case they need. Yeah. Here in the Keystone, about to do this Rainforest joint. 2 days, 1 night. Oh yeah. Excited.
Okay. Definitely navigating down river against other side. We will know a new guys there. Okay.
How long?
So approximately 2 hours by boat. Because arriving to the lodge, we're gonna visit 2 places, indigenous peoples. We're gonna know about fish living this part of the Amazon.
Okay.
The most represent is called people know about the monster fish. The monster fish is called giant arapaima piraruco.
Okay.
It's up to about this fish 3 meter long and weigh 200 or 250 kilos. So for that is considered monster of the fish. We will see about the big eyes and big mouths.
Okay.
Also there, and also on the other side, right? You got it there. How I see the top of the bow. You got it around. See it. Join 2 rivers. You know, 2 and 3 rivers in total.
Right.
Nanay, Itaya, and Amazon River.
So check that. He said during the rainy season, that building right there, I'll try to zoom in, but that building, the water rises up during the rainy season. That's crazy. Wow. And November starts the rainy season, so hopefully all goes well. You know what I mean?
Like Anaconda district.
Okay.
Culture. Natural lakes as well,
Okay.
such as caimans. We will see turtles, big fish, tetras, small fish, and also we will see people breathing. Here is piranha,
Okay.
piranha fish.
Cool. Little first pit stop right here. We in the Barrio Florido, Rio
Barrio Florido.
Florido.
Florido is a place town. Looks over here. Oh my god. So the termite nest.
Oh, the termite?
The termite.
Okay.
Oh, look
I
at
see
that.
a snake skin.
Yeah, the nest skin.
Yeah, I gotta stay
Oh,
clear
got
from
it.
that. Hey,
A
snakes.
difference. Nest skin, eh?
Uh-huh. So be on the lookout.
We will see the nenúfaro, alright? We will see the nenúfaro is a floating plant. It's considered the big plant around the world.
Okay.
The more important here is Victoria Regia or Lily Amazonic tree. This is, you see it. And grow up so the 3 or 2 meter around the circle of the leaf.
Wow.
The trunk maximum is 7 or 8 meter long. In the afternoon, the flower change the color is the pink one. You see it there, and also support the weight maximum the 20 kilo or 25 kilo. Support the weight about the leaf. You can see about this is all the leaf is you see it. So the holes are causing the eatings. So many grasshopper and crickets come to eat this because this contain a little bit sweet.
Okay.
For that this coming here is grasshopper and crickets. A redhead parrot as well. So it's a clever parrot here. When you hear the sound, it try to imitate you the different sound it surrounds.
Yeah.
Yeah. Check it out.
I see it.
You see it?
I saw it. Yeah, I saw the shadow.
Yeah, look
Right there. Yeah. Oh, wow. Wow. Hold on. That is crazy.
Yeah, it's incredible. This is species. You see the big mouse?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, for that this called is like a monster. You see the color. This is male. The female, the color is a little, so it's like a silver color. This is a cauliflower as well, the red one. You see the big mouth and big eyes. So this species represents captivities. 1,000 or 2,000 new babies appearing around here. The main predator, piranhas, eating some new babies.
Wow.
So and also some people exportation in other countries. Yeah, American, Japan, and China.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because the people, because it's another subvention for the people as well. You know, the breeding this species. Up to this species is 3 meter long and weigh 200 or 250 kilos approximately. And use the people the scale for make necklace, bracelet, drain catch, and souvenirs. You got it. You try to feed them.
Oh, huh. Can you
Yes, sir.
push that button? There we go. Yep. Gracias. It's already, whenever it stops, when it stops, just tap the screen. All right. I see it right there. Wow. Can I do one more?
Yes.
All right.
You try to put it.
Okay, cool. Try to put it. Oh, it's right here. You ready?
Yes.
Thank you.
How you feel, Charlie?
Yeah. Wow, that's great.
Just like it time.
Yep.
Yeah. You gotta see the breath. Yeah, you see it.
Yep.
You see it?
Yep.
You see it?
Mm-hmm.
You see the big piranhas.
Oh, yes. Oh. Listen, stop playing with my food.
Yeah. Yeah, some
Finally
finally.
got it, yeah. Piranha fishing, y'all. Let's do it. Oh, I want to come. This is where my heart leads, y'all. See that? I'm looking for right here. True love, real love, committed love. I'm walking on it, baby. But self-love first and foremost. That's top tier. Look at Cujo.
It's coming from Caballococha City.
Okay.
Samara, Watara, Samara, Diti. So live in the river edge, closer the river edge. Yawas meet water. Okay, you gotta have a seat.
Yes.
Okay, one more time, the indigenous people, Yawas. The Yawas, so you can see it means like a lot of hair men.
Okay.
You can see the people many years ago use this dress for the camouflage as well, and also use this arm for the hunting the animals, and also use this dark. This dark many years ago used contain the poisons, poison snake, poison frog. For the eat the animals, people use from the tree. So the sap tree. Use it for the kill the animal eats. And also the people, these indigenous people, they don't eat boiled fish. They don't eat boiled meats. The people many years ago eats raw animals. Because use too much spicy and then eating peoples.
Okay.
But other people many years ago living less. 50 people, all 50 died. Sunset, yellow fever, I don't know, maybe about the stomach,
Right.
bad digestions, and so, and also drink the Amazon water. For other people, so it's complicating. The kid stone for other people was very bad for them.
Okay.
All right, but in this case, these indigenous peoples living far away. They coming from Yabari River. Yabari River is closer to Brazil. Yeah, Brazil. The river is Amazon basin connection, Brazil and Colombia.
Okay.
Putumayo River connection with Colombia, Yabari with connection with Brazil.
Okay.
And the Amazon is the past one, so is the Black River. Is located Manaus City. Alright? Okay. As you can see, you see that here, so it's better. You try the guy you watching. See the shooting monkey.
Do I blow hard?
Yes.
Okay.
Blue heart.
Okay.
Last one.
Yep.
Yes. Good shot. Good shot. Good shot.
Yes, yes.
Kalau mata nahi tane mang ki
You see two figures, monkeys and sloths.
Gotcha. Shot there. Ooh. I did that.
No?
No, I don't know how to dance.
Yeah, okay, you got it. Just watching.
Okay, cool. I'll watch. All
babae
right, come on, I'll try.
All right.
All right, cool.
dan ma akan me
So in the middle.
Okay.
kanto
Yeah.
ya tarak arhomo re daja deta selke noina abnasina arke sana oi oi oh dera oh dera oh dera oh dera oi daja deta selke noina umnasina arke sana oi 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 Maria. A ver,
Ya.
el otro.
¿Qué significa esa canción?
Esa canción es, dábamos dábamos a Dios oración para que nos dé más ayuda.
Okay, so guys, this is about this singing the guys. So talking about this imploring the gods, you know, because in this case, so the picking
Pidiéndole
like
para
this the
comer.
ground, because the people guys like this it give me the more foods.
Okay.
In this case, like the people is the consistent and dance around the people as well.
Okay. Thank you. Yo, made it to the destination. Made it to the destination, baby. What it do, people?
Years ago, there was a village.
Okay.
So people now is moving all the different jungles.
Uh-huh.
Because every year you see it, natural dry nuts fall down the tree.
Oh,
It's dangerous. So bad for the people.
so just got to the destination. It's about an 8-minute walk to the lodge. I went to a local farm, as y'all saw, met some indigenous folks. And yeah, we're in the jungle, baby. 2 days, 1 night.
Tree bark use is antiseptic tree.
So this is a medicine tree. Antiseptics, huh?
Yeah, antiseptic, yeah.
Okay. Hey.
Six-sided.
Okay.
Six-sided. Yeah, the figural lateral slots, yeah, and I kind of head right there.
¿Qué pasa? Poquito.
Español es un parece a...
¿Eh?
España, España.
Sí, sí, sí.
Gracias, chaval.
Thank you.
Ha venido con nosotros y luego ya se ha quedado por ahí.
He's the manager. He's Nomar.
Okay. How you doing? Okay. All
And
right.
also the guy, so he's a waiter and also so
Muy bien.
yeah,
Muy
housekeeping.
divertido, la
Okay,
verdad
cool.
que yo
In the
pensaba que
kitchen
os
we
había
have the
visto
chef,
vídeos,
so
pero
it's
más
Peter.
bajitos y
Peter,
tal,
okay.
está así muy, muy, muy bueno.
Then you stay here. Tomorrow I show you the other guys going to do the zip line tomorrow.
Okay.
And also in the bar we have some beer, the big bottles, and also you wanna buy some the cold water. They have the cold, the 5 soles, and the big bottle beer, so the 15 soles.
Okay.
Yeah, for this afternoon, like this, the dress is better. For
Yes.
the Monkey Islands.
Okay.
Don't forget you bring black fly.
Yo, about to show y'all the little lodge that I'll be staying in for the night. It's the first time ever staying inside of a lodge. Okay, this dog is coming. Sorry, doggy. Check it out, check it out. Got the little nets and all of that. Check this out. So I was told there's no electricity during the day, but at nighttime we get the electricity. It's all good, baby. Gotta be one with the people. Can't have it all, you know what I mean? It is what it is. yeah, this is it. So of course I said this is me by myself. Definitely gonna take the big boy guy right here. Here's a little sink. What it do? Made it, y'all. Made it. Little bathroom. And then here's a shower. Definitely getting this bad boy tonight because we gotta wake up early in the morning. Super early in the morning. So that's it. I'll holler at y'all later on. Lunch is about in another hour and a half. Let me see. Hold on. Lunch is actually, yeah, in another hour. And then after that, we're gonna go on another tour. Monkey Island. See some other animals, sloths. You'll see. I don't want to spoil it, but yeah. Then nighttime, you'll see that, and then dinner, and then some more. You know what I mean? So I'll holler at y'all. Let me change my GoPro battery. It's getting low now. Peace.